Iris, welcome
Yes.
at Smit Zoon.
Thank you.
Here in our application lab. What is it that sets Emma safety footwear apart from competition?
There are actually two main things. We are very much a social company. We still have 100 people who have a disability on board. And also, since a few years, we are working in a circular way. I think more and more customers are interested in sustainability, but also that they value inclusiveness.
I understand your company produces 350,000 pairs of safety shoes every year.
Exactly, yes.
What percentage or how many of these shoes make their way back to your company?
Well, as we have only started this process last year, it's now about 15,000 pairs. So it's not that much, but as of next month, we're going to start an alliance because, as you might know, in the recycling business, volume is key. So it's really important to join forces in this respect, in both the reverse logistics, but also in the dismantling process of the shoes.
I understand you started a year ago with taking shoes back.
Yeah.
What were the barriers and issues you ran into when you started doing that?
Well, the main problem I think was that we did not only take safety shoes back, we also took back other PPE, so other personal protective equipment. But then we noticed that there was a problem with the recycled clothing. So that's why we started a new alliance also with our competitors. We are depending on other countries when it comes to raw materials, and it's such a lot of materials are being wasted, and that's why they think it's an important thing to do. And I think that's also why you are doing a lot of work in this respect, also
Correct.
Supporting the Sustainable Development Goals, right?
Yeah. Leather is a very nice natural material, byproduct from the meat industry. At the end of the day, leather could be the ultimate circular material if it is handled and treated and processed in the proper way.
Yeah, and it's a very durable material as well.
How important is leather as a raw material for your company?
It's key to our organization. As you may know, we use a lot of hides for our production. I agree with you that it is a sustainable material.
I think the biggest impact we can have is in the whole leather value chain. The things we can do here internally are relatively small compared to what can be accomplished in the value chain. And that is mainly focused on developing new, better, maybe even bio-based products, which will replace oil-based products in making leather, and then making leather in a better way.
A good example of a sustainable development within our company is the development of our laces. So instead of using regular laces, this one is made of PET bottles that have been used in supermarkets, for example, and the strength of the laces has been improved. So I think both comfort, safety, and then also sustainability can go hand in hand in this respect.
It is very interesting to hear the development of your company and the unique position it has. What is the next step for the company? So, and what is the vision? Where do you stand in 5 years' time?
There are two things. For example, we want to increase the percentage of recycled content that we make use of in our shoes. But then also we want to increase the level of recyclability of the materials.
Those are very ambitious goals. We as Smit Zoon also look forward to working with you and making a small contribution in making these steps forward.
Yeah.
So I thank you for being here today and having this conversation with me. And I'm sure that somewhere we will meet and work together again on improving this part of the industry. Thank you very much.
It was a pleasure.